What's going on, guys? 40 Brothers here for another video, and today we're going to talk about another E55 video. Today we're going to talk about the things that we fix and things that we have to fix on our 404,000 mile E55 AMG.
Yeah.
We got a list right here, so Matt, read the list.
I'm taking over. It's my turn.
I'm gonna let him read.
I got the airtime now.
I might mess something up.
All right, so first off, we're gonna tell you guys everything that we replaced so far. Now this is gonna be like the main stuff, not like little things like you know, miscellaneous stuff. It's just the main things we fixed so far. So starting off,
the stuff that hurt our pocketbook.
Yeah, the stuff that hurt the pocketbook. We replaced the headlight control module, which you guys know, you saw the video, but unfortunately that didn't do anything.
No, waste of time.
But nonetheless, we replaced that, and we had to order 2 of them because the one wasn't the right one.
It wasn't too bad. It was like 60 bucks, I think.
Yeah, something like that. But nonetheless, we had to replace that, which didn't work. We replaced the front fog light because it was like shattered when we bought it. Like the whole lens is missing, so we completely replaced that. Conductor plate, we did that. You guys know the disaster we had with the transmission. Yeah. So yeah, we did that, and we did what, like 2 transmission fluid changes. So yeah. Front and rear brakes, you guys know that because you saw our video already.
Hopefully,
if you haven't,
not, go check it out.
Yeah, if not, go check it out. Plug. We replaced all the front ball joints, upper and lower. Hood struts, because the hood struts were shot, the hood was not staying open, so yeah, we did that.
That's kind of a problem when we were working on our car, and the damn thing fall on your head.
Yeah, because I was telling Nick to hold it, and he wouldn't hold it. It would fall and crack my head open.
Told you to watch out.
Hey, you know what, Nick? All right, but anyways, air filters, you saw our video on that. We replaced the valve cover gaskets because we had an oil leak coming from there. I don't think we talked about that yet. But anyways, yeah, we did that. The hood star, if you guys know from our, I think it was our very first video, there was no hood star on this car.
Well, we're out of focus. Look at that.
Oh man,
what the hell's going on? Oh man, now we're upside down.
What's going on over here?
There we go.
But anyways, was the rest of it even in focus?
I think so.
All right, let's hope so.
Yeah, the hood star was going. We bought the car. The hood star was missing, so we bought a brand new one, like a genuine OEM one. And like after a week we put it on, our dad was driving down the highway to work because he took the car that day, and it fell off right on the highway. So somebody on the side of the road got a nice new star. Yeah, week old.
But anyways, yeah,
probably ended up buying another one, and then probably turned to one of those like chains or something.
Yeah, you could have. You never know. And oxygen sensor, we replaced those because those were toasted. A couple other like little things that we did, I'll just mention them. The sunshade, we fixed it, as you guys know, because you've already seen the video.
See?
The radio screen, as you guys know, these 03 models, they don't have like the full like navigation, like command system. They have that little tiny half screen stuff.
Garbage.
And the cassette player door is like stuck open,
causing the rest not to work.
Yes, you cannot use the rest of the radio. It would just say like, I don't remember what it said, like something to do, like you couldn't do anything, but yeah.
You couldn't get any, you had to like go through the steering wheel to even get the radio.
Yeah, nothing worked.
But it never came in, it was like jammed, so
yeah,
we fixed that.
Anyways, we fixed that, and we repainted the lower front mesh grills all along the front of the bumper, so that looks super nice. All right, so now this is gonna be the fun part. We're gonna be talking about everything that still needs to be fixed on this car. First thing, we're gonna talk about,
Wait, did you tell them we fixed the shocks?
What shocks?
In the back.
Where? Oh,
yeah.
We completely forgot that. Yeah, we replaced those.
Hopefully you guys saw that video too.
Yeah, if you see that video, go watch it. We replaced the shock absorbers in the back because those were toasted.
A lot of the stuff we did ourselves. A lot of the stuff we had to have somebody do. But just this week alone, this past week since it was snowing, we decided to do some work. We changed those rear shocks, and we
what else we do?
What the hell else we do? Oh, the sunshade. Those 2 things alone, by us doing them, we saved $3,000 from not going to the dealership. So
yeah, I know, seriously.
Big savings. $3,000 on 2 fixes.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do to have an old car like this.
Some stuff we can't do.
Yeah,
just because
some stuff, you know, we don't have a lift or nothing. We should get one of those, you know.
We should, but we don't know how to do work on cars that well. We're learning.
Yeah, we're learning. But anyway, so now we're gonna be talking about everything that needs fixed. So first things first, our car needs a new thermostat. Now the car, we noticed, it's been running a little bit colder than usual. So we ran our diagnostic tool. We have that what is it, MB2 or iCarSoft MB2 diagnostic tool, and it said that there's a malfunction with the thermostat. The car still heats up normally, like, you know, perfect. Like, it still blows warm air and stuff in the heat, but the car, you can tell the temperature is a little bit colder than usual. But yeah, we're gonna need to replace that.
I'm gonna hold this. I keep looking at you. Look, I'm looking or something.
You know what, Nick? We got the so the next thing, our primary cats are completely toasted, and yeah, in the car is definitely running rich, because when you take off and someone's looking from behind you, there's a lot of black smoke.
Looks like a rolling coal back there.
Yeah, it's a rolling coal, so there's something going on there. So yeah, it's running rich. Primary cats are toasted.
Engine and transmission mounts.
Yeah, engine and transmission mounts. They're not, they're not bad, but we had a mechanic look at them.
I think the transmission mount's brand new.
Transmission? I don't think so.
I think the mechanic said that it looked fairly new.
He said it was okay, but I figured it's a $20 part, for a
We're gonna change that no matter.
We're gonna change anyways. Yeah, the engine mounts, they're not bad yet, but The mechanic said they look a little tired, so we're gonna go ahead and be doing those soon. Lower control arms. That was one of the things we bought the car with. Yeah.
Does need done.
It does need it done. I think one of the bushings on I forget what side it was. One of the bushings is like completely worn out. So we're gonna go ahead and change both of those. Spark plugs and wires. We had a mechanic look at the plug. I think he pulled one plug and said,
yeah, I don't think he looked at them
your
all.
plugs are good, but I think we're gonna go ahead and do that anyways. We're gonna replace all the spark plugs and the wires. Hurt. Yeah, just preventative.
That's one of the things when you buy a used car, especially if you don't get a a pre-purchase inspection. If you don't know anything about the car, you change all the fluids no matter what. Just preventative.
We're talking about the plugs. Why are you talking about fluids?
No, but I'm saying that's part of the thing. You do.
Yeah, that's another thing. Yeah, I'll just touch on that real fast. Once we get all the rest of the stuff fixed, we're gonna be changing probably the brake fluid. Probably needs flushed. The coolant. Well, I think we're gonna go ahead and put that new radiator in because
that will get all done in there.
Yeah, we saw Alex's video, and I think that needs to be done on this car. So we're gonna do a coolant flush. We're gonna do what else are we doing?
That's a little stuff. I ain't worried about.
A couple other fluid flushes, just to just have
what
some
we got left on this list right here. We got 2 more things.
Well, this right here, the headlight motor on the driver's side. That's the reason why the light is not adjusting the way it should. But that needs fixed. But we're not gonna fix it because I think it's like the cheapest I've seen those lights are like $500-600, and we don't really do a whole lot of night drive and whatnot. They still work. All we do is put the high beams on. Unless somebody's coming, we turn the high beams off. So we're not going to worry about that right now.
The high beams aren't even really high beams. Our high beams right now look like standard.
I thought they're pretty bright.
Yeah, they're not that bright. Either way, anyways, the last thing we have to fix is the third brake light in the back. There's like a couple little bulbs. What is it? Is that LED back there?
Yeah, it's like an LED strip. And there's I think like 2 or 3 that are like burned out.
Nothing serious.
It doesn't really need replaced, but it looks kind of goofy. So
it passed inspection, but it looks stupid when
it
you're
looks kind of goofy. Yeah, so we'll probably go on eBay and look for a used one. I'm not going to buy a new.
According to the list,
what else is on there? Is that
everything?
That's it, really?
Here. Yeah.
No way.
We tackled a lot of stuff on this list.
Yeah, if you guys are curious of how much we're spending on this car and how much we paid for it, like our total investment, let us know in the comments. We'll be glad to make a video on it because you probably never believe we're spending way more than we thought on this car. Way more.
But we're also saving a lot compared to.
Yeah, we're saving a ton compared to
I told you $3,000 this week we saved.
Yeah, that initial quote, what was it, like $9,000?
Something like that.
Something like that. Yeah, it was crazy. We spent nowhere near that, but I mean, we're still spending a lot. But yeah, if you guys are curious how much we paid for it, how much we have invested in it, let us know. We'll make a video on it. But, yeah, that's pretty much all. We just want to give you guys a little E55 update here, let you know what's going on with it. And it's still snowing. That's why we're sitting in the car right now. We're in the garage actually because there's like what 8 inches of snow out there. Still, there's a ton of snow.
Plus, it's been snowing all day the last 2 days, so we got a lot of snow out there.
Yeah, and we don't really want to bring this car out. So yeah, but anyways, that's it. Once you ended it, Nick.
Yeah, well, you guys should follow our Instagram, the Conforti Brawlers. Check us out. You get more updates and pictures of the cars whenever we're not uploading videos. But
yeah.
Until then, leave some comments in the video if you guys think any of these things in here, suggestions on parts or whatnot, or
anything like that. We buy most of our parts from FCP Europe. Anybody that's curious,
we're not sponsored to say that.
We're not sponsored to say that.
I wish we were.
Yeah, all the money we spend on
there should be.
Yeah, but that's where we buy them because of their warranty. It's freaking awesome. But yeah, I think that's it. If you have anything, any advice you want to give us, leave it in the comments. Yeah, because we always check those.
If not, give the video a like just because. Help us out.
Just help us out a little bit.
I mean, you're not gonna really help us out. I mean, we don't make any money on these videos at all.
But
maybe enough to buy a Happy Meal, but
yeah, maybe a Happy Meal. That's
Happy Meal. Happy Meal.
All right, yeah, that's it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please thumbs up, subscribe to see our future content, and we'll see you in the next one.
Take care.